Hello everybody, we're here again in Dublin city center, Smithfield Market, to talk a little bit about the complex apartments here in Smithfield. The complex, which has 7 years, okay, they built this area 7 years ago. The whole complex has 462 apartments, 13 retail units, 3 basements, car park, and as you can see, there are a lot of busy stuff here at the moment, because to attend 460 apartments we have to have 24 hours security, 24 hours concierge desk, cleaning division, and I am the person responsible to run this business. Okay, and from now on we're gonna have a quick look in our fire evacuation procedures, in our standard procedure that we train all the staff when they start in Smithfield. We start to work in Smithfield, and from there we know what's health and safety and property development in the Smithfield area, Dublin 7, Ireland. Okay, see you soon then. Hello there, we're here today to talk about security and safety. We have here a fire panel. What we can understand about fire panel. The fire panel here in this complex is basically to identify what location we have the fire. Okay, first of all, when we have the fire activation, we have the security officer who goes straight to the point where the fire is the address on the system. The security goes immediately to try to identify the location. As soon as the security identifies the location, number one, he can ring the guards or the fire brigade. Number two, if there isn't any fire, if it's just a fault or false alarm, he comes back to the fire panel, and he presses the sound silence, the button, and he resets the panel. Okay, and which means all the complex doesn't have to evacuate. All the people in the apartments, they can remain in their apartments. If there is a real fire, the fire brigade will come to check the fire, to attack the fire, and immediately all the people in the apartment, they will evacuate. Just to finish here, or to conclude what we spoke about the fire alarm, okay, the fire panel, I think everything is clear, and we just ended this section of training procedures for fire alarm, and I see you soon the next time. Okay, thank you.